Welcome to the Forex Random Trader 2022 and beyond. Let's go to the charts. As you can see in the trade window, yesterday's trade went into profit. Let's look at the account history real quick. And it was AUD, NZD. It was a sell trade. I set the take profit and it exactly did that. You can see it over here in the comments. The TP indication $16.04. That was a random trade. What's interesting, let's go back and do a quick analysis. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today. You can see in the trade window, yesterday's trade went into profit. Let's look at the account history real quick. And it was AUD, NZD. It was a sell trade. I set the take profit and it exactly did that. You can see it over here in the comments. The TP indication $16.04. That was a random trade. What's interesting, let's go back and do a quick analysis. This is something that is just always so obvious. I'm big on the concept that Forex is random. However, there are some obvious patterns that happen over and over and over again. And although I don't believe they're necessarily something to base all of your trading on, there are some things that are a sure thing. So we took the trade yesterday somewhere in about the middle of what we're looking at here. This is the 15-minute chart on the AUD NZD. However, remember, as I zoomed in and zoomed out, I said, I'm going to set my take profit down here at the bottom of this really huge candle, because typically whenever the price is pushed that far, the bank or a hedge fund or someone's working together to dump a lot of money into the market. And ultimately, and this just called smart money concepts, bankers concept, whatever you want to call it, typically what happens is when they push the price up like that, it has to retrace back to its original price, or the bank, the institution, is losing a lot of money, potentially in a loss, or they're certainly in a lot of drawdown. Millions, billions, trillions of dollars of drawdown, let's say. Again, just a concept, and none of what I'm saying is definite, but it certainly is a good concept. So I set the take profit around this level where that big push started. And in fact, look, if I actually put my crosshairs on it, look, the price came back to that and even went farther. Is that always going to happen? Of course not. But predominantly, that may be a positive in our direction. I'm going to come back to the 15-minute chart here, and let's go ahead and set our take profit. Let me zoom out and see if there's any previous major structure. So if I analyze on the 15-minute chart here, there's really not any structure that I could set my take profit on, other than maybe in the middle here where the price is just going sideways. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and drag this up to about the middle right there, and let's see, that would be $60.26. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. Let's see what happens. Here we are. It's the end of the week. It's Friday. The market's going to close in about 5 or 6 hours. Let's just go ahead and leave it there, and we'll take a look at this random trade and what's going to happen in the next episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit forexbits.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.